Our first pilot project happened with Razorpay, where we experimented with exact same content and kind of audience, etc., everything, and we sent like HTML email and AMP email, and we saw the difference in results. And that result was like 2.5, like 257% higher than the
Wow.
normal emails.
Hey folks, welcome to First Check Portfolio Shorts. My name is Noah Martins, and this is a series where we speak to founders of our portfolio companies so that you get to know their team, understand what they're building, and the problem they are trying to solve. If you like the content that we've been putting out, do like, share, and subscribe so that we can reach more founders and startup enthusiasts like you. Today's very special guest is Akibur Rahman, co-founder of MailModo. MailModo is a complete email marketing solution enabling users to create and send app-like interactive emails to improve email conversions. As all interactions happen inside the email, this eliminates users' redirections for a smoother email experience and higher conversions. MailModo's email marketing solution also includes features like email automation, user journey creation, auto-trigger schedule, and API integration within the email content. They've been seeing some great success with their solution. And in this episode, I have an awesome conversation with Akib about everything that they've built and the progress so far. Stick around till the end of the episode to learn more. Akib, thank you so much for joining me. It is a pleasure to host you.
Thanks, Noah, for inviting me to this.
Awesome. So let's start by talking about the problem that you're trying to solve at MailModo.
Sure. So I have been a marketer, and as a marketer, I realized that emails as a channel have been reducing the engagement and being one of the only channel from where you can engage your users. It needs to be more actionable to get better results. So at MailModo, we are helping businesses and marketers to get better results from their email marketing by making the emails actionable and bringing web-like interactivity within emails.
Okay, awesome. So tell me a little bit more about what the solution looks like, how somebody might interact with a MailModo email.
Okay, so our solution is for businesses, and we are a no code platform where a marketer or a product manager can go and create interactive templates, send them to their users using by uploading a email list or by using APIs, etc., and analyze the whole performance. From an end user point of view, they will receive those emails, they will be able to interact with them, like fill a feedback form or purchase something inside the email itself or book a meeting with the marketer directly within the email without going to a website, without reacting to a website. And all those data, etc., would be collected on the MailModo platform.
Wow, that's pretty cool. The idea that you skip that extra step rather than linking to somewhere else, you just get all of that done on the email itself.
Yeah. So that was the insight. Like most people don't have time right now to open an email, then read it, click on the link, go to a website, maybe log in there or provide the email ID there, and then fill a complete form on a different page, right? People are busy and they check emails when they are walking, traveling, eating food, watching TV, even in meetings, right? So if you expect them to do so many actions, it may not convert. So but if you bring them the end action within on their face within the email itself, the probability increases a lot.
Right. Okay, very cool. So talk to me about the progress so far. What does the traction look like?
So yeah, we started in 2020 and we launched our first public version of the product in January this year. So far, we are about we have already crossed 350K ARR, and we have already crossed 100 plus businesses so far, and we are continuously growing over 25% month over month, and we are also crossed 30 member team now.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, and tell me about how you and your co-founder met, and why people should want to come and join your team and help you build this, or build this with you rather.
Okay. So we are three co-founders, me, Devesh, and
Okay.
Apurv. Devesh and I were part of a startup program, and we are doing some experimentations, etc. there. Later on, we became friends, and we also traveled together to Pondicherry and some other places. And when I was starting Mailmodo, Devesh was also looking for some good ideas to work on. So eventually I pitched him, hey, why don't you join Mailmodo? And he also was very interested in the idea, and he came on board. Apurv, I know from my college. He was my college senior at ISM IIT Dhanbad, and he was running his own startup
Okay.
before, like just after the college, while I was doing MBA and I was doing my job, etc. So we used to interact on certain things. Like I used to take his help on the product and technology side, and he used to take my help on marketing side. So at his startup as well, he wanted to uh, start something new to build a global product. And so I pitched him, "Hey, why don't you join Mailmodo?" And he evaluated it for a few months, and then he finally joined us. So that's how the team formed.
Okay, awesome. And why should people want to come and join you?
So if so, number one reason, like if you are wanting to make a like if a life impact where you build and grow a global product, then you should join Mailmodo. So at Mailmodo, our vision is to become a globally known SaaS product, which like how Notion and Airtable and Salesforce and Market of the World. We want to become that kind of the product. And if you join us early at this stage, you would be part of that story, and that would be the most awesome part of it.
Right. Yeah, very cool. Okay. Akib, my last question before I let you go is going to be, have you watched the show Silicon Valley?
Yes.
Okay, so towards the end of every season, they are celebrating some sort of aha moment, or they something has worked and they realize that they are actually building something that matters, so to
Hmm.
say. So, do you feel that you have any story that represents that from your journey so far? Some sort of highlight reel moment from your journey building Mailmodo so far?
Yeah, so initially when we started working on Mailmodo, we had the hypothesis that uh, actions within email, interactivity within email will get the results go up. And our hypothesis was that it will increase the conversion by something like a 20 to 30%. So, but we didn't have any idea like what will happen or how will it happen, etc. So our first pilot project happened with Razorpay, where we experimented with exact same content and kind of audience, etc. Everything, and we sent like HTML email and AMP email, and we saw the difference in results. And that result was like 2.5, like 257% higher than the
Wow.
normal email. So that was the like most probably the first moment when we thought that okay, this is going to be something big, because we didn't even expect that kind of huge increase in the results. So yeah, that would be the first moment in our journey, such
Right.
moment.
Right. That's awesome. Cool. Akib, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me. It was a pleasure to get to know about you and your journey, and wishing you and your team all the best.
Thank you, Noah. Thank you very much.
Awesome. Cheers.